Hello everyone, this is Gnani. Welcome to Gnani Creations Education. In this session, we'll be discuss how to calculate multiplications without using calculator and pen. I will explain in bilingual. It means both English and Telugu. Here, easy to calculate multiplications. First of all, we will discuss first method. For suppose 23 into 42. Here which logic apply? Here observe 42, 2 units places are there. This one first units place and tens place. Here also first units place and tens place. Here take first unit digit, second unit digit. Here also write first unit digit, second unit digit. Here multiply first and second and second, but following some rules. Here multiply symbol is there. Take multiply symbol before, assume LHS part. After multiply symbol, assume RHS part. Just imagine LHS part and RHS part. Here LHS part, it means L, RHS it means R. Then first rule is multiply LHS part first unit digit into RHS part first unit digit. Again same, LHS part second unit digit into RHS part second unit digit. That is the first rule. Therefore answer. Here take 3 ways. Here observe L1 into R1. It means 3 into 2. And L2 into R2. L2, this one R2. It means 2 into 4. First of all, L1 into R1. Answer is 3 into 2. It means 6. One more important point is answer will be right hand to left hand. Right hand to left hand. That is the important thing. Here 3 into 2, it means 6. Next L2 into R2, 2 into 4, right, 8 will be end of the number here. First of all 3 into 2 will be right, 6. Here 2 into 4 it means 8. Between 8 and 6, right, apply second rule. Then multiply here LHS part first unit digit into RHS part second unit digit. That is the vice versa. LHS part first unit digit into RHS part second unit digit. Again LHS part second unit digit into RHS part first unit digit. That is the simple logic. Here L1 into R2. Here L1. It means 3 into R2. R2 it means 3 into 4 and 2 into 2. So that is the 3 into 4. Here L2 means 2. R1 means 2. So 2 into 2. So 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 2 ja 4. 12 plus 4 16. Here multiply 3 into 4 and here also 2 into 2. So answer is 3 into 4 it means 12. 2 into 2 it means 4. Then both are addition. It means 12 plus 4, 16. Here 6 will be right, 1 is carry forward. That 1 will be add to before digit. So 1 plus 8, 9. Again write 6. Again write 6. So that is the simple logic for multiplications. మనం ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటండి, చేసేది ఈ గుణకారానికి ముందు ఉన్న నంబర్లన్నింటినీ ఎల్హెచ్ఎస్ పార్ట్ అని, గుణకారానికి తర్వాత ఉన్న పార్ట్ అంతటిని ఆర్హెచ్ఎస్ పార్ట్ అని అనుకుందాం. అలా అనుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 2 నంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 2 నంబర్స్లో 2 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ డిజిట్, సెకండ్ యూనిట్ డిజిట్. హియర్ ఆల్సో ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ డిజిట్, సెకండ్ యూనిట్ డిజిట్. ఇక్కడ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 3 into 2 చేయండి. సో ఆన్సర్ 6. అగైన్ 2 into 4 ఆన్సర్ 8. ఈ 8 and 6 అనేవి ఎన్స్లో రాయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ లాజిక్. సెకండ్ లాజిక్ ఈజ్ ఇంటూకి బిఫోర్ ఉన్న డిజిట్, ఇంటూకి ఆఫ్టర్ ఉన్న డిజిట్ని, ఆ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. అలానే ఎన్స్లో ఉన్న నంబర్స్ డిజిట్స్ని కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఒక ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఆ రెండింటిని కలిపితే మిడిల్లో రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంత అయితే క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఉందో ఆ క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ని ముందున్న నెంబర్కి మనం ఎడిషన్ చేస్తే ఈజీగా మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ అనేవి చేయొచ్చు. హియర్ 29 into 89 and 56 into 68. Here concept is take into before LHS part, into after RHS part. Just assume here L1 into R1. So this is the first unit digit, second unit digit. Here also first unit digit, second unit digit. So L1 into R1. So 9 9 ja and 2 8 ja. So answer, take 3 ways. 9 9 ja 81. 1 will be right, 8 will be carry forward. Next one, 2 8 ja 16. 16 will be right as it is at the end of number. Answer will be right from right hand to left hand. That is the important point. Next one, second rule. Then multiply L1 into R2, L2 into R1. Here L1 into R2. So it means into before digit, into after digit. So 9 8 ja 72 plus 2 9 ja 18. So 72 plus 18. So 8 plus 2 10. 1 carry forward, 0 will be right. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. Right 90. But here carry forward is there. Remember, carry forward always addition. So 90 plus 8. 98. So 8 will be right as it is. 9 will be carry forward. That carry forward will be add with before number. 16 plus 9, 25. 8 1. So answer is 25 8 1. Now we can solve very easily. Here 56 into 68. First of all, this digit into this digit and this digit into this digit. So LHS part, RHS part. L1 into R1, L2 into R2. Remember, take 3 ways. Answer will be, how can solve without using pen and calculator. 8 6 are 48. 8 will be right. 4 as carry forward. Next one, L2 into R2. So L2 into R2. That answer will be right. End of the number. Important point. 5 6 are 30. 30 will be right as it is. Here only carry forward will be taken. Here as it is right. Next one. Into before, into after digit will be multiply. 6 into 6. 36. Plus remaining digits will be multiply. 5 into 8. 40. 36 plus 40. 76. 76 will be right here, but here carry forward is there. The carry forward will be addition. 76 plus 4, 80. So 0 will be right. 8 will be carry forward. Then 30 plus 8, 38. So 38, 08. So answer of 56 into 68. So this is the simple logic for multiplications without using pen and calculator. Now we will discuss second method for multiplications. For suppose 42 into 23. Here which concept? Here concept is simply, so 23 written as 20 plus 3 or 30 minus 7. Lot of people, each digit will be multiplied, each digit. So 3 2 ja, 3 4 ja, again 2 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. That is the very difficult process. It means waste of time. This process will be used, then you can calculate very speed. Here 42 also written as 40 plus 2 or 50 minus 8. Simply here 23 will be written as 20 plus 3 or 30 minus 7. Why? Because 23rd table very difficult compared to 20 table, 3rd table, 30 table, 7th table. ఇక్కడ మనం గమనిస్తే 23 ఎలా రాసుకున్నాం, 20 ప్లస్ 3 మరియు 30 మైనస్ 7. అలానే 42ని 40 ప్లస్ 2 50 మైనస్ 8గా రాసుకున్నాం. ఈ విధంగా రాయడం వల్ల మనం సులువుగా ఈ పద్ధతిలో గుణకారాలని లెక్కించవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ టేక్ కేస్ 1, దిస్ వన్ టేక్ కేస్ 2, కేస్ 3, హియర్ ఆల్సో కేస్ 4. 4 cases will be try. 4 కేసెస్ని ఒక్కసారి ప్రయత్నిద్దాం. 4 కేసెస్లో ఒకేలా సమాధానం వస్తుందా లేదా ఒకసారి గమనిద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ కేస్ 42 into 23 written as 20 plus 3. Here multiply symbol is there. Multiply symbol belongs to 20 and 3. It means these two digits or numbers multiply with each digit. That is the concept. Here 20 into 2 and 3 into 2. Why? Because here bracket is there. Into belongs to 20 and into belongs to 3 also. So each digit or number multiply with each digit. So 20 into 2 40 plus 3 into 2 6. So 20 into 2 40 plus 3 into 2 6. So 40 plus 6 46. So 6 will be right, 4 will be carry forward. Next one 20 into 4, again 3 into 4. 24 ja 80 plus 3 4 ja 12. 80 plus 12 92. 92 and carry forward will be add 92 plus 4 96. So write 96. Here concept is each number or digit multiply with each digit. So take right hand to left hand side. So right hand 20 plus 3 multiply with left hand side 2, again 20 plus 3 multiply with 4. So then get answer. Here second logic, 42 into, second logic is 23 written as 30 minus 7. So easily can solve. So that's why 23 written as 30 minus 7. Here calculate 30 into 2 and 7 into 2. Don't calculate 30 into 2 and 30 into 4, 7 into 2, 7 into 4. That is the wrong process. Correct process is this 2 digits or numbers multiply with each digit. That is the concept. 32 ja 60 minus, why? Because here minus symbol is there. 7 into 2 14. Here 60 minus 14. How can calculate? Here small digit, larger digit. So 0 minus 4, that is the impossible. So that's why can borrow from another digit. Here 6 will be give 1. So it means 10 minus 4, it means 6. Again 5 will be there. 5 minus 1 4. So answer is 46. సో 60 నుంచి 14ని మనం ఎలా తీసివేయాలి అంటే, ఇది చిన్న నెంబరు, ఇది పెద్ద నెంబరు. సో ఈ చిన్న అంకె నుంచి పెద్ద అంకెని తీసివేయడం చాలా కష్టం కనుక మనం ఏం చేయాలి, పక్కదాని నుంచి ఒకటి అప్పు అడగాలి. సో 6లో ఒకటి అప్పిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, 10 అవుతుంది. 10 మైనస్ 4 6. వీడు ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి అప్పిచ్చేసాడు, పక్కవాడికి హెల్ప్ చేశాడు, పాపం సాయం చేశాడు. సో అలాంటి వాడికి సాయం చేయగానే వీడి దగ్గర ఇంకెంత ఉంటుంది, 5 ఉంటుంది. 5 minus 1 4. సో రైట్ 6. 4 will be carry forward. It means శేషం. Again 30 into 4 minus 7 into 4. 34 ja 120 minus 7 4 ja 28. Again చిన్న అంకె పెద్ద అంకె. సో ఏం చేస్తుంది, పక్కవాడి దగ్గర నుంచి ఒకటి అప్పు అడుగుతుంది. సో ఒకటి ఇస్తాడు వీడు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, 10 minus 8 2. వీడు ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి అప్పు ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి ఇంకా ఎంత ఉంటుంది, 1 ఉంటుంది. అలానే మళ్ళీ 1 minus 2. సో మనం చేయలేం కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ వీడు పక్కన మరొక డిజిట్ని అప్పిస్తాడు. సో 11 minus 2 ఎంత అవుతుంది, 9 అవుతుంది. హియర్ వీడు ఆల్రెడీ ఒకటి అప్పిచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 0. ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ 92. సో రైట్ 92. బట్ హియర్ క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఈస్ దేర్. రిమెంబర్ that carry forward will be add 92 plus 4 96. That 6 will be right as it is. So 966. That is the simple trick for multiplications. So ఇక్కడ మనం కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే, ఈ రెండు నంబర్స్ని ఒక్కొక్క డిజిట్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తూ పోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్, మైనస్ ఉంటే మైనస్. ఆ లాజిక్ని మనం యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఈ విధంగా మనం సులువుగా గుణకారాలని లెక్కించవచ్చు. అలానే థర్డ్ కేస్ కూడా ఒకసారి చూద్దాం వస్తుందా లేదా. థర్డ్ కేస్. సో మనం ప్లస్ కేస్ తీసుకోవటం వల్ల వితౌట్ పెన్ ద్వారా చేసేయచ్చు. మైనస్ లాజిక్ తీసుకోవటం పెన్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అదే ప్లస్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఈజీగా చెప్పవచ్చు. ఎలా, 22 ja 40 plus 3 2 ja 6. 40 plus 6 46. 4 will be carry forward, 6 will be right. Again 20 into 4 plus 3 into 4. 24 ja 80 plus 3 4 ja 2. It means 12. 80 plus 12 92. That carry forward 4 will be added. 92 plus 4 96. So answer 966. Here subtraction compared to addition is very easy. Take third process. 42 into 23 or 23 into 42, both are same. So write reverse, 23 into 42. Why? Because here multiplication from right hand to left hand easily calculate. So write 40 plus 2. Here concept is 40 into 3, again 2 into 3. Don't calculate 40 into 3 into 40 into 2. Again 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. That is the wrong process. Correct process is the two digits multiply with this digit. Again the two digits multiply with this digit. That is the concept of multiplications. Here 43 is 120 plus 2 3 is 6. 120 plus 6, 126. 6 will be right, 12 will be carry forward. If in case 3 digits are there, 1 digit will be right, remaining 2 digits will be carry forward. Again 40 into 2, 80 plus 2 into 2, 4. 80 plus 4, 84. 84 plus 12, 96. So without using pen, easily can solve. Fourth process, 23 into, again 42 will be written as 50 minus 8. Plus is very simple compared to minus. 53 is 150. First calculation. Minus 8 3 is 24. How much? So 1 will be borrow. So 10 minus 4, 6. Already 1 gave. It means 14. 14 minus 2, 12. So it means 126. 6 will be right as it is. 12 will be carry forward. Next one. 52 ja 100 minus 8 2 ja 16. Second calculation. 100 minus 8 into 2, 16. So how much? It means 84. So 84 will be carry forward plus 12. 84 plus 12, 96. Here without using pen. But my way is plus is very simple compared to minus. So take plus, then easily can solve. Or first method also you can use, then get answer. So this is the second method for multiplications. If more and more practice, then you can really very fast. You can calculate very speed also. 15 into 28. Here what is concept? 28 will be right, 20 plus 8 or 30 minus 2 or 15 also right, written as 10 plus 5 or 20 minus 5. Here 15 will be very easy compared to 20. So it means 28 into 15 will be right, written as 10 plus 5. Just reverse the two digits numbers is reverse. Then you can calculate very speed. 10 8 ja 80 plus 5 8 ja 40. 80 plus 40, 120. So write 0. 12 is remainder. Next one. 10 2 ja 20 plus 5 2 ja 10. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 12, 42. So answer is 420. That is the simple logic for multiplications. Next example. 32 into 78. Here 78 written as 30 plus 8 or 32 also written as 30 plus 2. As your wish. 70 into 2, 140 plus 8 into 2, 16. Remember concept, bracket, any numbers are there, it means in terms of write any number x and y. For suppose that x and y multiply with each digit from right hand to left hand side. That is the important point. So 140 plus 16, 156. right? 16. 15 will be carry forward. Next one, 70 into 3 plus 8 into 3. 70 into 3, it means 210. 7 3 is a 21. 0 will be as it is, right? Plus 8 3 is a 24. 210 plus 24, 234. That carry forward will be addition. 234 plus 15, it means 249. So answer is 2496. That is the simple logic for multiplications. For suppose, if in case 3 digits are there, what happened? For suppose 424 into 221, for suppose. Here each digit will be multiplied, 1 4 ja, 1 2 ja, 1 4 ja, again 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, followed. So that is the difficult process. Simple process is just 221 will be converted in terms of 200 plus 20 plus 1. Why? Because 221 table is very difficult compared to second table. Again second, again 1. That zeros will be as it is, right? So that's why I will say that second. Here 200 plus 20 plus 1, it means 221. Here 424, how can write? 400 plus 20 plus 4. As your wish. I am taking case 1. Or minus process also we can take, 300 minus something like that. So 200 into 4, it means 800 plus 20 into 4, 80. 800 plus 80, 880 plus 1 4 ja 4. 880 plus 4, 884. That is the simple logic. One example, I am using pen. Why? Because understand for everyone. So 200 into 4 and 20 into 4 and 1 into 4. In that bracket, all numbers or digits, that digits will be multiplied with each digit. That is the concept. 200 into 4, 800. So this is the first calculation. Plus 20 into 4, 80. Plus 1 into 4, 4. So 884. Right? 4 as it is. 88 will be carry forward. Next, second calculation. 200 into 2, 400. So 2 2 ja 4. Right as it is, zeros. Plus 20 into 2, 40. Plus 1 into 2. So it means 2. 442. That 442 add carry forward. That is the important thing. Don't forget. So 442 plus 88. How much? 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 will be right. 1 will be carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, 30. So 0 will be as it is, right? 53 will be carry forward. Again here 4 is there. So it means 200 into 4, 800 plus 20 into 4, 80 plus 1 into 4, 4. So answer is 884. Don't calculate. One more. So 884 plus 53 remainder. Don't forget, remainder is important. That carry forward will be must and should addition. So 53. How much? 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 1, 9. So 937. So answer is 93,704. That is the simple trick for multiplications. 3 digits. If in case 4 digits, then also converted as thousands or 2000s or 3000s. Again hundreds place. Again 20s or 30s or 40s and ones place. It means this is the simple logic for multiplications. సో మనం ఇక్కడ ఈ 221ని మనం సులువుగా ఎలా రాసుకున్నాం అంటే 200 ప్లస్ 20 ప్లస్ 1గా రాసుకోండి. ఈ విధంగా రాయడం వల్ల మనం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అనేది మన నోటి మాటతో చెప్పేయచ్చు. ఎలా 2 into 4 ఇట్స్ మీన్స్ 8. హియర్ 2 zeros are there, so 8 plus 8 again 0 0 it means 800 plus 24 80, so 800 plus 80 880 plus 1 into 4 4, 880 plus 4 884, 4 will be as it is, right? Next again 200 into 2 400 plus 20 into 2 40 plus 1 into 2 2, so it means how much? 442. The 442 will be add with 88, so 530, so write 0. 53 will be carry forward. Again 4 is there, so that's why again take same answer 884. That carry forward will be addition, so how much? 937. So must and should additions and subtraction part is you can calculate very speed, then get immediately answers without using pen and calculator, only using mouth. When you practice more and more, then you can calculate very speed. I hope enjoyed this session. If help for you, please click like button and share to your friends, and also please click bell icon, then get notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.